Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Roblox on a desktop because the security settings are easiest there. Once signed in, make sure your email is verified so recovery is possible. This prevents lockout. Next, install Google Authenticator on your phone and confirm it launches. The app stores time-based codes securely. Finally, prepare a backup device or paper copy for recovery codes. Make sure you won't lose access if your phone is lost or reset. Once done with preparation, go to Account Settings and open Security to find two-step verification. Select Authenticator app so Roblox shows a QR code and a manual key. The QR is fastest, but the key is essential as a backup. Now open Google Authenticator, tap to add an account, and scan the QR or enter the manual key. Make sure the app gives a 6-digit code. Then enter that code back on Roblox to verify the link and complete the synchronization step. To finish, save the recovery codes Roblox provides and store them offline. These let you regain access if the app is unavailable. Once saved, log out and log back in to confirm Roblox prompts for the Authenticator code and accepts the 6-digit entry. This proves everything is working. If the codes are rejected, make sure your phone's time is set to automatic and synced because Authenticator uses time-based codes. If syncing fails, re-add the account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.